বাংলা মানে ব্যবসা, বেঙ্গল মানে আতিথেয়তা। বার্সেলোনার বিশেষ বাণিজ্যিক সম্মেলন থেকে এটাই মূল বার্তা ছিল মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। আর কি বললেন শোনাবো।
UNESCO Heritage for Durga Puja Festival. It is coming on 20th October. And also after that, this year is been announced as a UNESCO Heritage Destination, Bengal. So I think that if you come, if you see, it is a best destination of the culture, education, heritage, and our beauty is we keep contact, people to people contact. That is much required. We want to explore greater synergies between Spain and West Bengal. So our 7th edition of our BGBS will commence from 21st of November. 21st actually we will meet together, and 22nd and 23rd is our international convention. So please invest, please do come. Bengal means business, Bengal means hospitality, Bengal means everything, whatever the mankind requires. And Bengal will be one day a game changer for the country and for the world also. So many countries now serving Bengal that it is the industrial destination. And it will be an industry. You know how many industries, not only industry, the education, there is a revolution. In our time within 11 years, we set up new 44 universities, so many colleges, so many schools, so many languages, multi-super hospitals, total free treatment. Not a single rupees or not a single euro you have to spend for healthcare. From heart operation to liver plantation to kidney transplantation, everything is free, because we think that free for all social security is our mental satisfaction. When people love, I love. When you love, I love. When you are affectionate, my heart always touch your feet. And when you give us the hospitality, I bow down my head and I all appeal to you that please, if anything you can do, please do come. And our industrialists are also doing business in Spain. I will request them to come more and more. Nowadays, the game changer is the joint venture. Your industrial friends and my industrial friends. So many countries they are working. This Mehul Mahenka is sitting here. He's a chamber of the Indian Chamber of Commerce organizing this function. Do you know how many he is having the industry in throughout the world? We are not. Even Mittali came, how he is doing in Spain. Umesh is the consulate of Switzerland, and also he is a big wagon maker and the wheel maker and the metro coaches and the other coaches, the speed coaches, railway, they are doing. Horst Neutia, he is a man of art. He has set up so many, even in the tea gardens. 15% lands we provide in the hill area to the industry, because they can set up some hotels, some good business, some commercial purpose they can utilize. So that also we are doing. We have self-help groups about 1 million. The women, they are working for everything. So I don't want to say into in details, because you know better than me. I'm just a learner. I'm just learning from you something. That's why I came to Spain to reciprocate. When you go to my state for International Film Festival, when you go to my state for International Book Fair, don't you think it is my duty to give my humble regards to all of you and all of my friends and all of your family and all Spain people? I'm really happy that I can, just before 2 months ago, I told them, International Book Fair, that yes, you came, I will also go to your country. And you cannot believe that 5 years I was not allowed to visit. But now, after 5 years, I just came to abroad and I started from Spain, and I think it will be our big gain. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.